Hey, how are you? My name is Hamy. Welcome to my channel.
Episode 4. Everyone started copying each other. Something strange started happening in my city. At first, I thought it was just a coincidence. Nothing is ever just a coincidence. A new trend appeared online. Within a few days, everyone started following it. People will follow almost anything these days. First, they wore the same clothes. Then they got the same haircut. Even the way they talked started to sound the same. How boring! Did they run out of their own ideas? The trend spread everywhere. At a school, at work, even in my neighborhood. That's what happens when people copy instead of think. I couldn't stop watching. The influence of social media was everywhere. One video, and suddenly everyone changes their life. Day after day, people became more alike. It felt like they were losing their identity. Maybe they traded their identity for a few likes. The strangest part wasn't their clothes, it was their behavior. Let me guess. They walked the same, laughed the same, and they thought the same. Exactly. It was like watching the same person over and over again. Sounds exhausting. Then I looked in the mirror and asked myself, am I starting to copy them too? That's the scary part. Sometimes you don't notice you are changing until it's too late. Let's review today's words. Trend. Something that becomes popular for a short time. Everyone followed the new trend. Copy. To do the same thing as someone else. Many people copied each other. Influence. The power to change people's ideas or actions. Social media has a strong influence. Identity. The things that make you who you are. Never lose your identity. Behavior. The way a person acts. Their behavior changed quickly. If everyone looks the same, who's left to be original? Maybe being yourself is the bravest choice. Good. Now let's see if that becomes the next trend.
Hey, I'm not Hamy, I'm his friend. I'm. Okay, I'm Hamy. You can like. Thank you.